Topic 24. My favorite drink. My favorite drink is orange juice because it is fresh, sweet, and very healthy. I like drinking orange juice every day, especially in the morning or when the weather is hot. It makes me feel refreshed and full of energy. Orange juice is made from fresh oranges, which are rich in vitamins. It is good for my health and helps me stay strong. My mother often makes orange juice at home using fresh fruits. It tastes natural and delicious. I enjoy drinking it with my family. When I feel tired or thirsty, orange juice is my first choice. It has a nice smell and a sweet taste that I really enjoy. Sometimes I add ice to make it even cooler and more refreshing. Drinking cold orange juice on a hot day makes me feel very happy. I also like orange juice because it is easy to prepare. We just need oranges and a juicer. It does not take much time, and it is better than sugary drinks. I believe natural drinks are healthier and better for our bodies. Sometimes, when I go outside, I buy orange juice from a shop or a market. It is popular and easy to find. Many people like it because it is both tasty and healthy. Drinking orange juice is part of my daily routine. It helps me stay fresh, active, and ready for my day. I believe having a healthy drink is very important for our body. My favorite drink is simple, but it brings me happiness and good health. I will continue to enjoy orange juice every day.